If you want to go from this to this, make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to show you how. Welcome to a mini tutorial on how to coil your hair. First of all, you're going to apply your heat protectants and your hair serum if you haven't done that already. Then you're going to comb out your hair to detangle it and you're going to begin coiling your hair. So my client since wants volume in her hair. That's why you notice that when I'm coiling on the right side, my hair is coming out on the left side. So if I needed volume, I'll coil on the right side, my hair is going to come out on the right side. And by hair, I mean this little strand of hair that you can see me fitting into the clamp. So let's get this first lesson straight, then we can proceed. So now that we are done with that first lesson, let's go to our second lesson, which is how to coil properly. So after coiling, I'm going to pin this down and then I'm going to move to the next. So you're going to coil your hair. When you release your clamp, you roll up your hair and then you lift up your clamp again and you're just trying to get all the hair strands into the clamp before you can wait for it to cool down. So guys, so basically that's what you do. So after doing that, you're going to hold your hair for maybe 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, depending on how hot your coiler is. And after that, you're going to release it. Please wear gloves because this can be very hot. So yeah, you're going to release it and I love to pin it down. So optionally, you can always apply a holding spray after coiling because I see some people do that. So I do that sometimes, but I didn't do it for this video because I felt like the products were already a lot on this hair, so I didn't want to oversaturate the hair with so many products. So I just had to skip this and do it at the end. So now I'm going to coil the front of the hair. So like I said, she wanted something very simple for her occasion. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to pin it down as well and let it cool off before I unravel, and I'm going to move to the next side of the hair. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to pin down as well. So now that we're done with the coiling process, after some time, 15 to 20 minutes, she was back for us to unravel the coil. So after unraveling, some people apply the holding spray to it to make the coils last longer, which is a great tactic. But like I said, I didn't want to oversaturate the hair with products, so I just applied at the end. So here's what my beautiful client is looking like. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you won't miss out my next video. Bye bye.